We want CBI for Sushant Singh Rajput. We deserve to know the truth.
The nation wants to know what happened with Sushant Singh Rajput.
The voices demanding justice are just getting louder. Sushant Singh Rajput's sister Shweta Singh Kirti, Kangana Ranawat, Ankita Lokhande and Kriti Sanon have all shared posts on their social media pages demanding a CBI inquiry into Sushant's demise so that justice is not delayed any longer.
It's been 2 months since the passing of Sushant Singh Rajput, and we still very clearly remember the morning of the 14th of June 2020 and the few days before that have been riddled and muddled with suspicion and allegations. Initially, the Mumbai police was investigating in the angle of professional rivalry and unfair industry practices that drove Sushant to take this extreme step. But eventually, when Sushant's father filed an FIR in Patna against Rhea Chakrabarti and her family, that's when the case took a complete turn and all focus was now on Rhea. Now, if Rhea's plea to transfer the case to Mumbai is denied, then there will be a CBI inquiry with her as the focal point. Here's the story.
After Sushant's sister shared a video insisting on a CBI inquiry into Sushant's demise, there were more videos posted on social media making the same demand. Kangana Ranawat, who has been the most vocal Bollywood celebrity demanding justice for Sushant Singh Rajput and has been sharing multiple posts on a daily basis attempting to reveal the dark underbelly of Bollywood. The actor shared a video on her social media page demanding justice for the late actor and shared the hashtag CBI for SSR.
We want CBI for Sushant Singh Rajput. We deserve to know the truth.
In addition to Kangana, Ankita Lokhande, who was Sushant's girlfriend for almost 6 years and has been speaking up about her insight into the actor's personality, also posted a video where she says, "The nation wants to know what happened to Sushant Singh Rajput. Justice for Sushant, hashtag CBI for SSR."
The nation wants to know what happened with Sushant Singh Rajput. Justice for Sushant. CBI for SSR.
Kriti Sanon, who worked with Sushant in the film Rabta, also shared a post on her social media stories where she wrote, "I pray that the truth comes out soon. His family, his friends, fans, and all loved ones deserve this closure. I hope and pray that the CBI takes over the case so it is investigated without any political agenda in the true sense to provide justice to the family. It's high time his soul rests in peace. Hashtag CBI for SSR." Many of Sushant's fans have also posted videos demanding that the truth should be revealed so that the actor can finally rest in peace and his family too can get closure. As the demands for a CBI inquiry continue on electronic and social media, in the Supreme Court, all parties related to the case have filed their replies before the Supreme Court in relation to Rhea Chakrabarti's plea against transferring the case from Mumbai to Patna. But after Sushant's father's FIR, which has put the target on her back, Rhea had filed a petition in the Supreme Court requesting the case against her be transferred to Mumbai. However, Rhea Chakrabarti has told the Supreme Court that she has no objection if it transfers the investigation of Sushant's demise to the CBI. She maintained, though, in her written submissions that such a transfer at the behest of Bihar police is wholly without jurisdiction. While the Bihar government's lawyer tried to explain why they have jurisdiction to investigate, the Mumbai police, we learn, has spoken to 56 people so far in its investigation. The CBI also filed its submission before the Supreme Court today and have requested that the ED and the CBI be allowed to carry on their investigation into the case. The CBI has also added that अब मुंबई में कोई pending cases नहीं है, so there is no question of transferring the case there, which will be a setback to Rhea's request. One can only hope that after 2 months of uncertainty and animosity, the CBI will at least be able to shed some light on the truth and bring a closure to this unfortunate incident.